Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm tucked in here next to this black bow tie, the Chevy bow tie. And so this just happens to be on a Suburban. I think it also is similar with the Tahoe. And I'm sure there's other Chevy type vehicles that this goes on. But I want to kind of give you a quick close up of this thing if you're looking for sort of a blacked out look, which is what I was going for. This fit perfect. It fits OEM style. On the back side of this, there's a couple of screws that you kind of take out, or take the old one out, put the new one in. Actually, that's not screws. It's like these little clamps, these little snaps. Yeah, these little snaps, like 4 little snaps. And I wanted to do this review because I want to see how it held up. And so it has a factory black gloss in this particular vehicle. Kind of matches the OEM black there, and it kind of complements that blacked out look. Now, if you're looking for something that kind of gives the whole vehicle blacked out, you can get the reverse side. Pretty cool here. That also, it matches the bow tie exactly. The other one, this one doesn't come off with any kind of clips or anything. There's like double-sided tape on this. You could use like a heat gun or a let's just say a hair dryer, heat it up a little bit, and then you can kind of like work it off. Just kind of work stuff here. You can even take like fixing string or something, kind of work it back there, back and forth, and then you clean it off, and then you stick this one back on. It comes with double-sided adhesive tape, and it really kind of complements the overall blacked out look on this particular vehicle, because these are not, as you can tell, this is not a Escalade, but these are Escalade style lights that just so happen to be smoked. So when it's off, you can see there, nice smoked look. You can still see a little translucent action going on there. But from a distance, definitely gives you more of the blacked out look. And it's like a fiber optic type modern look. Pretty cool, in my opinion, much brighter than the OEM lights that come on this vehicle. And because I wanted something from a safety standpoint that was bigger versus these smaller ones that come standard on these. So this is a bigger style rear brake light and turn signal, which is that red turn signal. I think there's some like other options as well, maybe like an amber one. This particular one is red, which I really like, and that also complements the blacked out reverse tail light, exact same color. Pretty cool stuff if you're going for that blacked out look. Hopefully this finds you well, and we'll talk to you soon.